The Grand Mosque of Touba.
The Great Mosque of Touba is one of the most luxurious mosques in West Africa. The edification of the mosque was decided by the founder of Mouridism, Sheikh Ahmadou Bamba, in 1926. When the Sheikh passed away in 1927, his eldest son, Sheikh Muhammadul Mustafa, succeeded him to the leadership of the Murid community and had the ambition to accomplish the project. Serigne Muhammadul Mustafa toiled and moiled despite the economic crisis in 1930 and the World War II that the entire world was living in that period. Also, the colonial administration in Senegal did not want to see the achievement of that project, so they imposed to the Sheikh arduous conditions for thwarting the project. After he acquired the lease of 400 hectares from the colonial administration, he was ready to face up to every obstacle and challenge in front of him for starting the construction of the mosque. Then the building site started in 4 March 1932. One of the hardships he endured during the edification was the inavailability of transport means, because the material should have come from Diourbel to Touba, and any cars or trucks could not carry the material except a train. Then he had the obligation to dig a railway from Diourbel to the holy city of Touba in a distance of 45 kilometers. He had to select 1,500 employees, and every single worker should have been paid and consumed good food enriched with oil and meat every single day during the project. But fortunately, the flower decided to give their payment back as a Hadiyah contribution. The construction of the railway started in 11 November 1928 and completed in 14 February 1931. After the finishing of the railway, Serigne Muhammadul Mustafa gathered the flower and urged them once again to construct the mosque. The great building started in 4th March 1932. In 1939, the Caliph interrupted the job due to the beginning of the World War II. In 1945, Sheikh Muhammadul Mustafa rejoined his father and left the throne and the work to his brother Sheikh Muhammadul Fadil Mbake. Sheikh Muhammadul Fadil Mbake became the second Caliph of Serigne Touba in 1945. 20 November 1948, the second Caliph restarted the task that his different brother has left and executed the inauguration of the mosque on Friday, 7 June 1963. The construction plan composed of 4 minarets. Each minaret measured 66 meters, but Sheikh Muhammadul Fadil added one of 87 meters in the middle of the mosque. It's called Lamp Fall, homage to Mam Sheikh Ibrahim Fall, close companion of Serigne Touba. Every Caliph left an imprint during his presence at the head of the Murid Brotherhood in the improvement of this edifice. Serigne Abdul Ahad, the third Caliph, widened the superficies of the mosque. The enclosure is also made in his period. Sheikh Abdul Qadir Mbake was the Imam, the prayer leader, since the Caliphate of Serigne Abdul Ahad Mbake until he rejoined Allah the Almighty. Serigne Saleh Mbake transformed the whole appearance of the mosque and the minaret into a modern appearance. Sheikh Muhammadul Lamin Bara, the first grandson of Serigne Touba who inherited the succession, projected on added the electricity of the mosque and make it more luminous. In 2013, Sheikh Sidi Al-Mukhtar added 2 new minarets of 16 meters in the plan of the mosque to the rest of the 5 ones. The sumptuous mosque composed of 4 big gates in each side, in the east, west, north, and the south, and 2 doors in the lateral side. The upkeep of the mosque is confided to an organization namely Mukhaddimatul Khidmah. They clean the whole mosque and organize the Friday prayers and the Eid. The mosque of Sheikh Ahmadu Bamba is a pride of every Muslim, particularly the Murid Brotherhood. It's often said that it's an endless construction because every successor of Sheikh Ahmadu Bamba would develop it, from Serigne Muhammadu Mustafa to the current Caliph Serigne Muntakha Mbacké. May Allah prolong his life so that he can fulfill all his ambition to the holy city of his grandfather. Ameen.
18 Safar, greatest Magal of Tuba. 18 Safar, greatest Magal of Tuba.